Hey guys, welcome to True 150. This is S here, and today we'll be reviewing the Venom Asphalt riding jacket. See the dust here? All from highways under construction. It's a lot of hassle. Okay, so in this video, we will be reviewing the Venom Asphalt riding jacket for summer times, and when it's not raining and when it's not winter. In summer times, you do not wear any kind of liners into this. You do not have the rain liner, you do not have the thermal liner into this, so you are wearing it just by itself without the liners. And when you are riding for like within the city, you might have a little bit of problem with the traffic signals, because if you're waiting in the signals, you tend to get sweaty and all. But when you start again, the air comes in through the meshes, and it's a cool experience. And in the highways, you do not have a problem. It's very good, really, and it actually gets all the air in, so it lets all the air in, so you stay cool and you do not actually feel the heat. Instead, if you are going through highways under construction, then really you will feel the heat a little bit. But during the ride I had recently, the last ride, I was taking a break and there was no shed to put my bike in. So I put my bike in the sun, and it was scorching heat, and my seat is black in color, so it will take up all the heat. It's implied. So I just opened my jacket and covered the seat with the jacket, keeping the outer side of or the back portion of the jacket upwards and the inner layers inside or downwards and facing down. So I put the jacket like that, and I went for a 10-minute break. And when I came out and wore the jacket, it was really not that much hot inside. The external part or the outside layer was really hot, whereas the inside was not that much hot. So it really takes up the heat on the outer layer only, but the inside mesh is not that much hot. It doesn't get that much hot. Pro tip: if you're riding in the summer of India, which is really very hot, and if you're going somewhere, if you are going for a long ride in the summer, then I would suggest you to start before the sunrise. Then in that way, along with the sun, along with the time, you'll get adapted to the heat little by little, and so you won't feel that much of the heat for the whole duration of the ride. So, and if you start like at 8 a.m. or something like that, then the maximum time you could go without getting tired is 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, stuff like that. You will not be able to ride for the whole day. So it's best if you start before sunrise. Then you will get slowly adapted to the rising heat, and it will be better for you. You know, you will be less tired while going for the long ride. Pro tip number 2: if you're going somewhere, if you're going to renowned spots which are renowned for picnics, don't go there in the winter times. I myself have gone to a couple of picnic spots which are famous for picnics, and during both the summer and the winter. During the summer, the road was clean, clear, and in one of the places there was literally one other biker, and that's all, apart from our group. And the road was open, while in the winter the road itself was closed. You cannot go past the road on top of the dam to look at the beautiful scenery that was there in both the sides of the dams. And in the second one, when we went during the winter, it was really clogged with traffic, because people came there with trucks for picnic, and you know, it was a huge traffic, and you could only move like 1 to 2 meters in 15 minutes or so. So it was really huge. So we had to come back from there. We took a U-turn and came back to where we started from. But you know, a few days earlier, I just went there during the summertime. So when I went there, it was really clean, clear. Nobody else was there. So it was me and my friends in our bikes, and there was a couple families who came there to see the waterfalls. So if you want to go to these famous places, you better go in the summer times and start before sunrise. So you should give it a try, and this is really a good jacket to wear during the summers. And I hope it's also a good jacket during the winter, but I hope this video also helps you in choosing your jacket. Don't forget to know about how this works during the rain and the winter as well. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching this, and if you do like this video, don't forget to click the like button down below and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.